Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into US Bank FlexPerks card account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for US Bank. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button. Choose FlexPerks from the list of account types. You will be directed to the FlexPerks login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. If you already have an account, enter your user ID in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your information is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your credentials. Once your information is entered, click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be redirected to your FlexPerks account dashboard. From here, you can manage your account, check balances, and view transactions. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check for any typos in your user ID or password. Make sure your internet connection is stable. After successfully logging in, take a moment to explore the various features available in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.